It's an Amtrak Northeast Regional. Actually, no, that's a Silver Meteor. Heading for New York. This is why I decided to come here. Catching trains going above and across the Schuylkill River. Now that is a Northeast Regional. This Northeast Regional service is heading for Boston. Boston South Station. 8 Amfleets. Amfleet 1's in tow. I really like this spot. It's an Acela Express heading for Washington, D.C. The train sets are nearing 24 years old. There's a Keystone service to Harrisburg. 4 Amfleets and a Metroliner cab car. It's an Acela Express heading for Boston, Massachusetts. Next train is the Carolinian. It's an Amtrak Keystone service heading for New York. Part of Amtrak's push-pull operations. Another Acela Express heading for Washington, D.C. I wonder if the next Amtrak train's coming by soon. It's a Northeast Regional service heading for Boston with 9 coaches.